Hey, welcome YouTube. We've got a 1995 little Ford Ranger pickup 2.3 dual plug, but the AC was just blowing out the defrost. So common on many cars, your older Chevrolets and Dodge and all the vacuum actuated systems. So thought I'd shoot this really simple video and show you how we fix these, what's common that you'll see right away. It's a very obvious situation. So let's get tuned in here and turn the camera off. I don't have my remote working, so you're going to see me shut her down, and then we'll show you how to repair it. Okay, so now gonna see that you're going to find a plastic vacuum hose here that breaks going to the vacuum reservoir. Yes, hopefully audio's good. Yes, fans are running, and yes, it's probably 97 degrees, heat wave, Florida, major humidity. So if you complain about the noise, it's going to do you absolutely no good, um, because I'm not going to burn up. You're just going to have to turn your hearing aid up. Anyway, the clamp's missing on the other side of this tube here. We're going to have to replace that. I'll move it over. Got it out of the way. Going to pull this mass airflow up, send it over that way. So right down here, this vacuum thing, this little vacuum hose was connected to that, and it goes right down underneath here on the bottom, and they break. So you got to cut it back, get enough of it into where it's good there, or you got to run it all the way into the car. But I take this, and I'm going to just pull it apart, pull it out. I'm going to put some black vacuum tubing in there and some vacuum hose on it. That way, we should be in good shape and get our AC blowing out the vent for this pool company. So you're gonna have to be a little patient and dig the old stuff out of there. All right, we're back. I'm just going to run vacuum hose to the main ball here because that little piece coming out of there, they can be a royal pain in the butt. So you're going to slide your vacuum tubing just over the end of that little nipple there. Now we'll go back to this piece. Cut it back far enough that we know we've got a good section of it. All right, so I'm going to cut this tubing a little extra long. I cut back on that plastic tubing that goes inside the car. Going underneath the truck so that I can get to it clearly, spray some silicone spray on it, and attach it. You can reach through the fender wall and reach some of it. Looking for my vacuum hose. Hang on. Of course, curled up in there. Let's get it down in there. We'll cut it to length. So we got to shorten it to there. You can go through the fender well somewhat behind the tire. Oh, where'd it go? Let's see here. There we go. I'm just going to slide it over the plastic tubing here. There, I've got it. Let's look down in here. There it is. We want to position it in a good place so that it's not touching anything. We're going to kind of tie it up here and reattach it. Probably just attach it to this other one there and tie strap it together. Put all of our stuff back in and then check and make sure I've got vents blowing out. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back inside the car. I've temporarily put the air snorkel on. I'm going to start it up and see if we have vent. Voila, air vents working, AC back in operation. So I hope that helps some of you do-it-yourselfers out there. AC vacuum hose to the reservoir causing the issue. Thanks for watching. Tune in and let's see what else we can give you information on.